Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
All right, happy Monday, everybody. Hope you all had a great weekend. We start the week off pretty nice out here so far today. 50s, low 60s, but take a look at Yellowstone Lake down there. 38 degrees. Oh, it's cold in the national park, but the rest of the state is looking pretty nice so far. We have one stray thunderstorm out there this morning just near Havre. Actually, a lightning strike to the west of town now, so possibly more developing thunderstorms up there through the rest of this morning. This afternoon, though, is when we'll see widespread thunderstorms forming mainly into southwestern Montana, moving towards the north and east. A severe weather threat for pretty much the whole state here. 1 out of 5 marginal risk for some gusty wind and some small hail. So we'll track everything out for you here. We see a few showers coming through the Helena, Great Falls area early in the morning, most likely Virga. Our rain will come in the early to mid-afternoon. We'll start to see some thunderstorms forming along the higher terrain, maybe the Big Belt Mountains, the Elkhorns, the Boulders, even down further into southwestern Montana along the Bitterroot Mountains here. But as we head into the mid to late afternoon hours, let's say around 5 o'clock, that's when we could see some strong to severe storms moving through the Helena area. Maybe wind gusts around 40 to 50 miles an hour as those storms blow through. A little bit later here for Great Falls, maybe around 6 to 7 o'clock is when we'll see that heavy line of thunderstorms come through, but we still could see a few isolated storms before that. So several rounds of storms possible today as this main line makes it through the Havre, Glasgow, Miles City areas by about 10 o'clock tonight. We will have a little bit of redeveloping rain and possibly even a couple of thunderstorms embedded in that by this time tomorrow morning near Great Falls, Cut Bank, the Rocky Mountain front, maybe Choteau, Augusta up to Conrad, and then moving out into northeastern Montana by tomorrow afternoon. Could see a few stronger storms up there as well. And then we're mainly dry heading into Wednesday. It will also be a bit breezy beginning with today associated with thunderstorms. So here's the thunderstorms coming through Helena around 5 o'clock. Like I mentioned, we could see an uptick in the wind during that period, and then 7 o'clock, Great Falls out to Fort Benton, Loma, Havre will all be a little bit breezy and even windy at times through the afternoon and the evening. Now, tomorrow, this wind is not associated with thunderstorms. That will be just the background wind, so 20 to 30 miles an hour at times. The wind does stay at least breezy through the rest of this week. Here's the forecast for today. A lot of us into the 80s, and that's where we'll stay into this week. Slightly below average yet again, but take a look at Friday coming up, 74 degrees in Helena.